Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is duplicate subtree. So we have a tree and we have to return duplicate subtrees. So what is a subtree? Subtree means a tree subpart that include left portion, right portion and node itself. So this is a subtree and this is a subtree, this is a subtree and a single node is also a subtree and this whole tree is also a subtree, we can say. So what's the approach? So if you write all subtrees, so let's start from root node itself. So root node we have to divide into left portion and right portion. So first go into the left side. So we have 2 here. So first go into the left side. So we have 4 here. So we can write, for 4 we have to go its left and right side. So it's left and right side, so we have 4. So for this we have to do pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal means node itself, then we have to write left node then right node. So for 4 we have this, and left node is null and right node is null. So we have checked for 4, let's mark this. And for 2, let's write for 2 and its left portion is this, so we write like this. And 2 right node is null, so this is for 2. I am dividing with node left and right, so we have checked for 2. Let's go for one right side. So we have this subtree. For this let's go left side, and for 2 let's go left side. So we have 4. For 4 again node, then left node, left subtree, then right subtree. So as you can see we have already find 4 here, so this is a duplicate. We will tackle this afterwards. Let's check all subtrees. So now 2. For 2 let's write 2, and then 2's left is this. So 4 node then node, and 2's right is node only, so we have checked for this 2. Now this 4 comes, so 3 is right. For 4 node then left then right. Now 3 turns. So for 3 we have this subtree. For 3 we have this subtree, so just pick it. 2 then 4 then node then node, so it is null. So 3 is left is done, 3 is right, 3 is right is this. 4 then node then node, so 3 is done. Now 1 turn. So for 1 we have this as left and this as right. So 1 then write this. So 2 4 null null null. Then on the right side we have 2 3 4 null null null, then 4 null and null. So it's time for checking do duplicate subtrees. So this and this is same, this is same, so the answer is 4. We have to return the root node itself, so the node itself for 4. So now we have this and this is as duplicates, so now we will return 2. So this is duplicate subtree, and as you can see this is also a duplicate subtree, 4 and 4. So the answer is 2 4 then 4. So the answer is 2 4 then 4. So this is duplicate. So it's time for coding. So how to check whether there is a duplicate or not? So for a unique we have set data structure. So for set, now we have to store the string, as I have discussed, string and for answer we have list. We have to take data type as a node and answer new array list. I will do pre-order traversal with root, and initially string is empty, and at the end return our answer. Here we have to return this string. Why string? I will tell you. Initial value, so initial string, let's take s, then we have root, so let's take node. We also have to pass set and answer. Set string, set and list node answer. If node is null, this is the base case, let's return n only. Now for pre-order, move to left side, string node dot left, set and answer, and move right side also, and build your subtree. So this is subtree. So let's take tree as a name, and we have first node. So node data plus left plus right. We have to insert a space because that will make string as unique. So it's time for addition. If it is already in the set, so set dot contains tree, means this is duplicate, so add it to our answer. Only node, this current node, else, so we don't have to write else condition, we can directly add and return your tree. So let's run this code and check whether there is an error or not. Okay, function name is different, that's why. Yes, it is. Let's submit this code. And we have an error here. As you can see, we have this. So if you analyze 89 and 89, and here we have 89 only one time. So if there is any duplicate subtree one or more times, so two or more times, so we have to only add one time. So that's why we have to use map here and frequency. So instead of set, we have map. Map dot contains key. And for addition, we have to use put function, but we have to increment the frequency every time a tree occurs. So we can use merge function here. So it will increment every time a subtree occurs. So this is same as get to default and incrementing your value. So this is same, and if it is occurring one time, so this is tree and its frequency is 1, means it occurred previously one time and it is occurring second time, only then add it to our answer. So that's it. Let's submit this code. And set to use map here. Map. Let's run this first. Yes, submit this. And we have successfully submitted this code. If you are watching till now, a click on the subscribe button is appreciated, and thank you all for watching this video.